Have you ever opened your fridge and wondered, how does it keep everything so cold, even when it's blazing hot outside? Well, here's a cool fact. Refrigerators don't actually create cold. Instead, they remove heat. Let's break down how that works. At the core of your fridge is a closed-loop system filled with a special fluid called refrigerant. This liquid is really good at absorbing heat. Step 1. The compressor. It's that humming box at the back of your fridge. It compresses the refrigerant gas, turning it super hot and high pressure. Next, this hot gas flows through condenser coils usually at the back of your fridge. As the gas travels through these coils, it releases its heat into the air and cools down, turning back into a liquid. Then, the refrigerant travels to a small nozzle called the expansion valve. This is where the magic happens. As it sprays into the next set of coils, the pressure drops quickly, and the refrigerant gets super cold. These cold coils are inside the fridge, and as the refrigerant passes through them, it absorbs heat from your food and drinks, cooling everything down. Finally, the refrigerant goes back to the compressor, and the cycle starts all over again. The inside stays cold because heat is being constantly pulled out and pushed outside. Your fridge also has thermostat that tells it when to turn the compressor on or off, depending on the internal temperature. That's why it kicks on every so often. It's maintaining that perfect chill. So, in short, your refrigerator is like a heat removal machine, moving heat from inside to outside, keeping your food fresh and safe. And now, that's how a refrigerator works. Thanks for watching How Things Work. Like, subscribe, and stay cool.